Hello. Diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing, is a deep breathing technique that helps you relax and reduce stress. It involves you using your diaphragm, a muscle located below your lungs, to breathe deeply and fully. To practice diaphragmatic breathing, find a comfortable seated position or lie down on your back. Place one hand on your chest and the other one on your abdomen. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. As you breathe in, allow your abdomen to rise, expanding like a balloon. Feel your hand on your abdomen gently rise as you fill your lungs with air. Next, exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress. As you exhale, feel your abdomen gently fall and notice the sensation of a relaxation spreading throughout your body. Continue this pattern of deep, slow breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Focus on the sensation of the breath falling, filling your abdomen, and the gentle rise of and fall of your hand. As you practice diaphragmatic breathing, imagine that with each breath in, you are inhaling calmness and peace. And with each breath out, you are releasing any worries or tension. Remember, it's important to practice diaphragmatic breathing regularly to fully experience its benefits. It can be a wonderful tool to help you relax, reduce stress, and promote a sense of well-being. I hope you find this technique helpful. Let me know if you have any more questions.